A marvel of its time, the Empire State Building went from conception to completion in less than 2 years. Almost 100 years later, you'd think we've evolved. But sometimes, creativity gets stifled by barriers, bureaucracy, and work processes that move us backwards. It's time to fast forward so we can enter a new era, the industrial evolution. HP moves us into the age of full collaboration, one workflow, all in one place. Scan, vectorize, and preview in Build Workspace, a single platform that unites the whole project. Model, simulate, and visualize designs in real time with Z Workstations. Deliver accurate prints with intuitive simplicity with DesignJet printers. And autonomously lay out whole plans on job site floors up to 10 times faster with SitePrint. From site to studio. Accurate, precise. Each step connecting each team flawlessly. Welcome to the next era of building. Welcome to the industrial evolution.
Hi all, and welcome to our webinar, Shaping the Future of Work for Architecture and Construction. My name is Nuria, and I will be your host today. Stay tuned, as we'll very soon start to deep dive into today's content, where we will speak to an architect that is coming here to discuss his day-to-day challenges, and together we'll discover what's new in the industry for transforming the future of work. But before we start, let me guide you through some technicalities of today's session. The session will last approximately 45 minutes. Stay with us, as the content we have prepared for you today will for sure be interesting. We are using a Zoom platform to broadcast this webinar, so if you are not fully understanding me in English, we have simultaneous translations in Spanish, Italian, French, and German. To access these translations, you have to click on the glove button at the bottom of your screen and select your preferred language. We have also enabled the Q&A box. If you have any questions, please type them there, and our experts will be answering them during the webinar. And having said that, I believe it's time to welcome our special guest, architect and AEC industry expert. Hello, Matthias. Welcome.
Hello, Nuria. How are you?
Good. We're thrilled to have you here with us, sharing your experience and knowledge with our audience.
Excellent. I was willing to come here to share my knowledge, my experience, my insight with you, but also to learn about what HP is going to provide in a company like my company that is in the smallest.
Absolutely, Matthias. I'm confident that today will bring you new insights on things that can be done with HP's technology. But before we start, can you tell me a bit about your background, what you do, your company?
Absolutely. Well, I'm in a small studio. We are 15 people between the architects and the rest of the employees. And what we have been doing during the last 10 years is projects, all kinds of projects, small, medium, and large product. I'm willing to collaborate.
That's a lot of industry knowledge that you're bringing into the table and into today's session. But now, Matthias, before we start, I would like you to tell us a bit, what are the trends that you see in the architecture and construction industry?
Well, there's a lot of things, but if I have to focus on the first one, is the hybrid work. Okay, the people in the studio, we are working remotely from different locations all around the world, okay? But we are always looking for new technologies, new tools that are going to facilitate us the collaboration to be able to handle these projects that we are doing.
I see the complexity of what you're mentioning, no? Of working collaboratively, but at the same time, hybridly. I'm pretty sure that we'll be able to present something that would help you collaborate along an architectural project.
What I also see is the need to implement automation and digitalization. We are an industry that works with deadlines and time constraints. So we need tools that facilitate this process and help us to gain efficiency.
Absolutely. What you are commenting is something that our customers tells us a lot into their day-to-day activities. What else, Matthias?
Well, for us, thinking on trends, I would like also to say that growing our business with sustainability in mind, it's also a top priority for us. However, we don't want to trade off efficiency for sustainability. Therefore, we need sustainable solutions that help us grow and not just defer us from reaching the completion of our projects. So both things, sustainability and
efficiency.
Correct.
I completely understand your point. Thanks for sharing with us your view on the industry. And Matthias, now, in order to start getting into today's session, I would like you to tell us a bit, like, how do you see an end-to-end architectural project for you?
Sure, Nuria. Let me start from the conceptualization part. In this part, we work together with our client to design and model the project. We sketch every day the concepts, we render the initial idea, and we design and we review them with the team until it's approved. Then we move on the initiation phase, where we prepare all the construction documentation from drawings to final sketches and then we go under a lot of reviews with the team and the external stakeholders, obviously. Finally, we move on to the execution part. In this part is when we prepare the site for construction. That's when we plan the site layout and transfer the design to the field.
Does seem like a real end-to-end workflow, where the key here is actually collaboration along all the different stakeholders that take part into this project. Matthias, but let's go one by one. Today I have here with me some HP experts that would like to deep dive into all of the different phases to also show you what we have at HP that can actually bring you efficiency and help you into all of these phases. Are you ready?
Absolutely.
Let's go. Matthias, let me introduce you to Diane.
Hi,
our
nice to meet you.
workstations expert.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so you mentioned the conceptualization part of your workflow and especially your need for accuracy when you're modeling early concepts you sketched. In the end, it's all about bringing ideas and designs to life. So tell me, what are the challenges you're facing today?
First of all, a challenge we face is the slow hardware performance. Our ideas get limited by the setup we have. I cannot tell you how many times we have get frustrated because of our 3D models take forever to be loaded. Or because rendering frees the system. This interrupts our creative flow, and on top, the deadlines we run against are very, very, very tight, you know.
I feel your pain. Those large BIM models require significant processing power and RAM. Limited hardware leads to loading delays, system crashes, and even sometimes impacts quality. For instance, by missing class detections.
Yes, indeed, IT is critical in making us agile and coordinate between the disciplines and verify the clearance and due times. Any error is resulting in costly fixes during constructions, which we cannot afford.
Yes, in an ideal world, this process would be seamless. In the HPZ Workstation team, our customers are specifically the ones requiring maximal performance. So architecture is part of the top industries we're working for, and our products and solution roadmap is developed with your challenges in mind. I can tell you our Z Workstations, our most powerful PCs, are built for 3D modeling and rendering. They deliver real-time 3D manipulation and photorealistic rendering with high-frequency, multi-threaded performance. They are powered by Intel or AMD high-end processors, which work together with one or several powerful NVIDIA or AMD graphics cards. And of course, high-performance storage and memory to power through those most demanding workflows. For architecture workflows, Z Workstations clearly outperform typical PCs, which rely on integrated graphics, which are sharing resources with the CPU. Also, we're innovating for optimizing this performance. For example, our HP Z Workstations on the desktop range are offering users the option to boost processing power for even more intensive tasks with our high-performance mode.
These sound fantastic, and you know, one of our other key needs is reliability. As architects, we are on a mission to design buildings for real people. So the PCs we use are supporting mission critical work, and the standards are extremely high. We don't have the right to fail.
I understand, Matthias. Of course, reliability of our products is a priority for us at HP. It's one of our very top pillars for our Z Workstation brand. We exceed industry standards by undergoing up to 360,000 hours of testing for desktop and 120,000 hours for mobile workstations. This is equivalent to 41 years of continuous use, and we also think about construction environments. So our Z products are built to military-grade standards, such as the military standard 8100H, for extreme conditions of vibration, dust, humidity, shocks, etc.
That's pretty impressive. And reliability also means accuracy and precision, right? Not just reliability of the device, but also being able to have confidence in the content we work on, right?
Spot on. We mentioned the performance of our workstations, which enable you to seamlessly iterate and simulate tiny changes in your intricate design. And complex builds in real time, that's pretty strong when you're on site in front of a customer. To be able to look at every single detail and adjust it live. Also, with Dreamcolor displays, color accuracy is guaranteed. What you see on your screen is what you'll have at the end. And this option exists on our ZBooks, on our mobile workstations, and on standalone displays like HP Series 7 Pro monitors. Those are made with a wide array of vibrant colors, deep hues, and great contrast. They're Pantone validated with HP factory color calibration. And of course, at any time, you can recalibrate this later to maintain this accuracy on the long term.
That's definitely a good value. We really want to see and show our projects under the best angle and help viewer pictures what the final output will actually look like. We need to show attention to the details. Our reputation is at stake, and we cannot afford to give a bad impression or not to meet the expectation we have set up.
Do you know that we work with large companies like Zaha Hadid Architects? I want to show you a video with their feedback and how they work with the Z Workstations team.
Zaha Hadid Architects is known for its design.
That spirit unites us here to always challenge what's there and try to find new or better solutions.
What is unique about ZHA is how they combine design with technology.
Our intentions, our ideas can never be met unless we evolve together with technology.
It's also important to have partners who give us tools to research and develop more fitting solutions for our industry.
The tools HP and NVIDIA are providing Zaha Hadid Architects is enabling us to collaborate much more freely and much more frequently. That is really the most powerful thing technology could deliver. We are building something known as ZHA Create, which is a platform we custom built using the NVIDIA Omniverse platform. This Create platform is enabling us to bring tools which are from various research domains within the office in one location. The hardware behind these is HP Z8s with 4 RTX 6000 cards, which is enabling us to create faster fine-tuning of the models, faster training.
We're running about 400 HP Z4 rack-mounted workstations. It means everyone can just dial into the data center from wherever we are.
GPUs are ultimately the stuff that makes it possible.
If it was taking previously about a week to do this feedback loop with the client, now with AI-assisted pipelines, we're able to reduce it to less than about a day.
I think it certainly gives me the possibility to do more fulfilling work, to advance the whole office and eventually the whole industry.
HP has been the one-stop solution that we needed. It's been a blessing to work with HP and NVIDIA on that.
This sounds really great. Many of the themes are ringing a bell. Just need to keep in mind our constrained budget thought. As we are a small business, With the IT software we use evolving fast, we are sometimes reluctant to invest too much into a machine which might become obsolete soon and not work very well with the future version of our applications as Autodesk or Photoshop or whatever that we are using.
Yes, for sure. Your PC needs to be a worthwhile investment on the long term. We already discussed the reliability aspect, and this will already enable your workstation to have a lasting lifespan. But on top of that, we offer easy upgradability for hardware if more performance is needed by implementing toolless access wherever possible. So for you, no need to change the whole PC every time to keep up with the latest tech and needs. This is also a sustainability choice. And you mentioned on the software side, one key thing for us, which is also what differentiates Workstation from traditional PCs, is that we collaborate with most software vendors, not only to certify our workstations to run with their applications, but also during the whole product development process to ensure that our workstations are optimized for the latest software releases. With these independent software vendors, certifications, we're able to guarantee compatibility and seamless user experience in the longer term as well.
This sounds reassuring for sure. What about working remotely? Hybrid work is a new norm, and in our case, we are also going on site. We cannot carry our big workstation tower with us everywhere, right? And there is the wall security aspect we don't want to compromise on.
It's good that you asked. First of all, don't assume a powerful workstation needs to be bulky. We have thin and light devices that are offering impressive performance, such as our ZBook Ultra over here.
Not as powerful as your big C4 or C8 desktop, right?
Indeed, those are our ultimate beasts. However, if you want that level of performance, but avoid their bulkiness, you could opt for our solution, which is a remote desktoping solution called HP Anywhere, which allows you to work from anywhere with any PC and remotely use the power of such high-end desktop workstations that are staying at the office, even rack-mounted in a closet. This makes it easy to collaborate on Project Live too. IT can also manage that fleet seamlessly thanks to our HP Remote System Controller. HP is a unique vendor for having such an end-to-end remote solution. And this solution is also protecting intellectual property because files never leave the office, only encrypted pixels travel over the network. And this is just an example, as innovating with solutions is really one of our big priorities here at the Workstations Group.
Thank you very much. It has been a really useful session, so thanks again a lot.
Hi guys. Hello, Matthias.
Hello, Nuria.
Did you get all the information from our HPZ Workstations team?
Absolutely. I didn't know that much about the Z workstations from HP, and it's going to be very useful for my business.
Thank you, Dan. Well, Matthias, now the show is not over. I have here with us Angel that would like to talk to you about how our HP DesignJet large format printers can also support your business. Should we go?
Please.
Hello, Angel.
Hey, Nuria, how are you?
Good. Let me introduce you to Matthias.
Matthias, nice to meet you.
Nice
Welcome.
to meet you.
How can I help you?
He's here today to learn about how our HP DesignJet technology and printers can support his business.
Yes. I do have a lot of challenges I want to discuss with you when using our large format printers. Honestly, large format printing is often one of our pain points. Deadlines in architecture are tight, and sometimes printers just can't keep up. Slow printing, unreliable output, and the difficulty of printing remotely when we are on site. This really impacts on our productivity. Security is another concern, especially when we are sharing sensitive project files across teams and locations. And frankly, we just want things to work seamlessly. The less time we spend troubleshooting printers or figuring out how to print from the different devices, the better.
That's something we hear a lot. The need for speed, reliability, and simplicity. This is where HP DesignJet solution come in. For example, with HP Click Driver, anyone can print in just few clicks, eliminating complexity and making sure there are no errors while printing, thanks to the automatic error notification and print preview. Our printers automatically handle different formats, from small to large, without the user needing to constantly adjust settings. And features like the stacker per size keep output organized, so documents don't get mixed up. So, instead of slowing workflows down, the printer becomes a seamless part of the design and review process. We have designed it to take away a lot of the friction, as it enables teams to print quickly and without errors. Let me show you a video.
Wow, this sounds like a dream make true. Not having babysitting the printer or wasting time reprinting could free up us a lot to focus on the actual design work that we are doing. Another topic that I discussed before is the fact that we handle sensitive information data from our customer, such as confidential drawings that need to be handled with extra care. And now printers can be source for security breach. How are HP printers protect against that?
Great that you asked, Matthias.
Security in large format printing often flies under the radar, but the risks are real. With HP Wolf Security, our designed devices protect not just the printer, but also the data, the documents that pass through it. From device-level protection to document confidentiality, HP ensures that whether you're a small practice or a large firm, your projects remain secure. And it all happens in the background, so it doesn't complicate your workflow.
That's reassuring. We have had situations where sensitive drawing had to be handled with extra care. So knowing that the printer itself is secure definitely adds peace of mind to me and to the team, so thanks.
Also, Matthias.
Our HP design jets are also contributing to sustainability, something I know that you have commented before. At HP, sustainability is part of the entire printer lifecycle. Before use, many of our design jet models, like the T200 and T600 2025 edition, are made with up to 40% recycled plastic and even incorporate certified recycled metals. Packaging is now fiber-based, reducing plastic waste by more than half. During the use, our printers are Energy Star, certified with features like Energy Scheduler that can cut energy consumption by up to 65%. We also use Ecologo certified FlexTech inks, ensuring low environmental impact. And the after use, through HP Planet Partners, we offer free recycling of supplies in over 60 countries. And with our Forest First initiative, every page printed helps protect and restore forests. So architecture, engineering, and construction firms can meet their printing needs while contributing positively to the environment.
That's really impressive. More clients are asking us about sustainability, so being able to show that even our printing practices are eco-conscious is a real advantage for us.
Also, Matthias, I'm not sure if you are familiar with our HP DesignJet portfolio. We have printers from 24 inches, meaning A1 size, up to production devices that can handle up to 30 pages per minute. And of course, we have also multifunction printers with embedded scanners.
Thanks a lot, Angel, for sharing all the options. Angel, before you leave, there is something I want to discuss with you as well. In architectural projects, teams are often spread across different locations, in the office, in job sites, and disciplines. We are constantly sharing plans with engineers, with contractors, with consultants, and everyone needs access to the latest version. But to tell you the truth, keeping track of revision, especially when people are printing from different places or working off older files, can be a real mess. We also get a lot of hand-drawn sketches or scanned PDF that need to be integrated into our digital workflows. Converting those into usable formats takes a lot of time, and it's not always accurate. It slows things down and adds risks.
This is a real bottleneck. Our team has been working on solutions further from hardware to make collaboration smoother and more reliable. Collaboration is critical, but it's also where things can break down. That's exactly why we developed solutions like HP Build Workspace and HP AI Vectorization. With HP Build Workspace, teams can collaborate on projects, documents, and real life, whether they are in their office, on-site, or working remotely, also thanks to the mobile app. It's designed specifically for AEC workflows, so everyone has access to the latest version of drawings. And when it's time to print, it connects directly to HP DesignJet multifunction printers. That means no more outdated plans or version confusion. What you see is what it gets printed. It's also a tool that helps remote collaboration across different stakeholders. Photos, files, reports, everything gets uploaded on the cloud platform, and all stakeholders get direct access to the latest updates. Let me show you a video that exemplifies it. And for those hand-drawn sketches or scanned PDFs you mentioned, that's where HP AI Vectorization comes in. It uses AI to convert those files into editable CAD formats quickly and accurately. So instead of spending hours redrawing or cleaning up files, you can integrate them into your workflow and print them with confidence. AI Vectorization allows for easy editable outputs. Let's see a video that explains it. together. These tools helps AEC teams move faster, stay aligned, and reduce errors, all while leveraging the precision and reliability of HP DesignJet.
Angel, really thank you for the detailed explanation of HP large format printers and especially for HP Build Workspace. Now I'm sure that the perfect companion for large format printing in our company is going to be HP DesignJet. Thank you very much, Angel.
Welcome.
Hey guys!
Hello.
Matthias, how has it been? Have you learned a lot about HP DesignJet?
Yes, a lot. I mean, it has been really great to learn about the workstations and now about large format printing.
So now, to close the loop into a real-world architectural project, it's time to move on to the execution part. And I have here with me Pau. And Pau,
Matthias, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Pau.
he's gonna show you our HP SitePrint robot for site layouts.
Great. I'm willing to.
This is Pau, I'm the product manager for HP SitePrint. We've talked about the initial phase of a construction project. Now, as we move into the construction phase, the team is eager to get things moving and keep the project on schedule, right?
Exactly. That's when the pressure really starts. Everyone's working hard to deliver on time, but as you know, things don't always go as planned. It's not easy to bring complex digital designs to life on a real construction site. It requires a lot of coordination between different teams and a lot of precision during the execution.
You're absolutely right, Matthias. It's not easy to transfer the design intent of the digital model into the real construction site. One of the most critical and challenging steps in this phase is layout. This is the process of transferring the digital design onto the physical site, physically marking where walls, electrical point, mechanical systems, or plumbing fixtures need to go so construction can begin.
Yes, and there are always mistakes. Things are often not where they are supposed to be. We face clashes and RFIs inside all the time, even when the digital model was perfectly designed.
That's exactly the issue. Even though buildings are designed with extreme precision using BIM software, the layout process is still mostly manual. It often comes down to a worker reading a plan, measuring with a tape, and marking with chalk lines. You can imagine how easy it is to make mistakes. Even being off by just a few millimeters can cause rework, delays, and cost increases. This is one of the biggest reasons why construction projects often struggle to stay on time and on budget.
It's crazy, isn't it? We have such advanced technology for design, and then really on a tape measure and chalk lines on the site.
Exactly. That's why HP developed the HP SitePrint, a robotic solution that automates the layout process. The robot takes your CAD drawings directly from your digital design and print them at full scale on the construction floor with up to 3 mm accuracy. Let me show you how it works.
Wow, that's really impressive.
And it's not only accurate, it's also much faster. SitePrint can work up to 10 times faster than traditional layout and only requires one operator to run it.
That's great. Skilled layout workers are hard to find, so being able to do this faster and with fewer people is really a huge advantage.
Absolutely, Matthias. And beyond productivity, SitePrint dramatically improves coordination on site.
How does it do that?
So on any construction site, there are hundreds of interactions every day between people from different trades: electricians, plumbers, drywallers, HVAC teams. Research shows that on average, a worker has about 17 interactions with different companies per day, and almost half of them involve some kind of conflict. Many of those conflicts come from layout discrepancies. Each team is working from its own drawings or reference. With HP SitePrint, you can print a single coordinated layout that includes all trades with all sorts of details and instructions directly from the federated digital model. That means everyone builds from the exact same information. What's printed on the slab matches what's in the design model. This drastically reduces on-site conflicts and eliminates countless hours of coordination and RFIs.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. This really sounds like a new standard for layout in construction execution, right?
Exactly, Matthias. And now SitePrint can do even more. It doesn't just print, it can also capture real-world data such as floor elevations while it's printing. Since SitePrint connects directly to HP Build Workspace, you can compare the actual as-built data from the site with the digital model in real time, ensuring that what's being built perfectly matches what was designed.
That's incredible. A true connection between the digital and the physical world.
Exactly. It's time for me to leave, but I hope this gives you a good idea of how HP solutions can make your workflow more efficient, more accurate, and much faster.
It really does. Thanks a lot, Pau.
Thank you, Matthias.
Thank you.
Well, Matthias, we have discussed a lot of information today. Shall we recap on everything that we have shared?
A lot of information. Yes, please.
Perfect. We talk about the current trends in the architecture and construction industry. The need to work remotely, but also collaboratively. Second, the request to actually use automation and digitization. And third, the need to grow your business with sustainability in mind.
Right.
You have also shared with us how a real-life architectural project looks like, no? From start to end. And then we came here to discuss with our HP experts everything that HP has in terms of software, but also hardware, to help you gain efficiency in your day-to-day operations. No, our Z Workstations team have shown us that it's possible to have tools that work reliable, but also powerfully, even remotely. No, HP DesignJet have shown us that now printing large format prints is easier than ever. It doesn't need to be complex, and that you don't need to trade off security, neither sustainability.
That's good.
Also, now digitization is easier than ever with HP AI vectorization, no? That transforms physical copies into digital CAD editable formats. And finally, you discussed with Pau, no, on the different points that solves HP SitePrint in terms of how it can reduce errors and time when we're doing a site layout. And as a bonus, and you mentioned at the beginning how important is collaboration.
Absolutely.
We discussed with Angel on HP Build Workspace, this new cloud platform that allows to automate manual tasks, but also collaborate with all the different stakeholders within an architectural project.
Indeed, Nuria. I have learned a lot about how HP solutions can shape the way I work by creating efficiencies and collaboration. Thank you a lot for inviting me to this session.
Thank you, Matthias, for
Thank you.
being here and sharing your knowledge and experience with us.
Thank you.
And now, to our audience, we hope that you find the session as interesting as Matthias did. If you have any further questions, please type them at the Q&A box. Our team is going to be answering them for the next few minutes. Also, we will share a link on the chat so you can also contact us for any further requests or questions that you have. Again, thank you for joining today, and we hope the session was relevant and interesting for your business. See you soon.